So now I'm gonna talk about 5 skincare and hair care products which have really disappointed me in 2020. So I hope you have watched my previous video where I have talked about few makeup products which has disappointed me. So little disclaimer I want to give is that कि मैं यहाँ पर कोई product को bash out नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm not bashing out. I'm telling my honest review that this all products has not performed well. I know that today's buyers are a little smart and they know about their product. So if something has worked for me, ऐसा भी हो सकता है will not work for you, and something which has worked for you, it will not work for me. So this is my honest review and this is my take on all this product. Hello, welcome back to Amar. Amar is you, Amar is me. So let's spread little love, and your pal is back with another video. So the first from my list is my favorite brand, Plum, and trust me, I have loved their green tea range. I have loved their all the products which I have used, but this product from Plum is complete no-no for me. So this is the E-Luminance Serum and this is supposed to like brighten up and make your skin youthful, but trust me, this works nothing. It will give you a slight moisturization, but आपको on the long run will not see any difference on your skin. This is priced for rupees 1100 or 1200 का product है, but according to the price, this is a complete failure. So one thing I want to tell you, Amos, is that कि कोई भी एक brand का हर एक product will work on your skin ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. Some product might fail and some product might do wonders on your skin. So it is the duty of the content creator to make the brand aware that this product is not working out. So this is what a job of a content creator, to make you aware that if few products are working and what products are not working out. So that you get an idea कि what आपको क्या लेना चाहिए और क्या नहीं लेना चाहिए. So the next product on my list is a Biotique hair care product. So this is a Biotique Bio Green Apple shampoo plus conditioner. So you can see that I've almost tried a lot with this product. मैंने बहुत इसको use किया है, but trust me, it has not performed well. After applying this product, मुझे लगता ही नहीं है कि मैंने shampoo किया है. My hair seems to be like very flat या फिर कोई bouncy या फिर कुछ भी like fresh नहीं feel होता है. And also the problem with this product is that कि ये lather ही नहीं होता है. Like जितना भी आप पानी लगा दो या फिर जितना भी आप कोशिश कर लो, this will not lather. Okay, चलो we could skip the problem of lather, but after using this product, I haven't seen any results on my hair. Even my mom has a oily scalp, but she has also not seen any visible result. So for me, this is a complete disappointment. So the third product on my list is again a hair care product. So this is a shampoo from Wow. This has been a very marketed and very talked about product. So when I was not into like filming videos, तब मैंने इसको बहुत सारे like bloggers को, YouTubers को मैंने देखा था इसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ review करते हुए, and they have talked good things about it. So this is supposed to clean your scalp and like आपको dandruff free करता है. Like apple cider vinegar is supposed to treat your dandruff problem, but trust me, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा dandruff का problem हो गया था like during this winter. As other beauty bloggers have talked कि ये like 2-3 वॉश में ही आपका बिल्कुल भी dandruff को like छू मंतर कर देगा, बट ट्रस्ट में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ. सो फॉर दैट रीजन दिस इज अ कंप्लीट नो नो. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं 1-2 वॉश के बाद आपको ये इसका रिव्यू दे रही हूँ. इट इज लाइक आई हैव यूज्ड अ क्वाइट अ लॉट. सो यू कैन सी इतना तक ये प्रोडक्ट पूरा खाली है एंड यू कैन सी. सो वन थिंग आई वांट टू ऐड इज दैट कि मैंने अदर ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर्स को या फिर कोई भी लाइक अदर यूट्यूबर्स को देखा था मैंने लाइक इसको अपने हेयर में लगाते हुए. इट लैदर्स अ लॉट. ट्रस्ट मी, ये मेरे हेयर पे तो बिल्कुल भी लैदर नहीं किया. सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रॉब्लम ये प्रोडक्ट के साथ है या फिर इसके पूरे रेंज के साथ है. So for that reason, this is a complete no-no for me. So the next product on my list is a skincare product. So this is a Good Vibe Vitamin C Serum. So as vitamin C is supposed to like repair your skin, but what potent of vitamin C is there, I don't know. But this does not perform anything on your skin. Like बिल्कुल भी आपको perform नहीं करेगा. I have not seen any visible result onto my skin. So ऐसा नहीं है कि I have used 1-2 drops and I am like telling you a review about this product. I have completely finished off the product. If I can show you. So there is no product. So for me, this is a complete no-no. This does not mean that ki other Good Vibe products has not worked for me. There are other Good Vibe products like Rosehip oil. I just love Rosehip serum. So the next on my list is again a Good Vibe product, and this is a pomegranate face wash. So I don't have the problem with the ingredient of the product, but मुझे problem है इसका packaging में. Like I will show you. I am not getting any product out. After using 4 or 5 times मैंने देखा कि इसका जो pump है, like this pump is not working at all. As it is a foam face wash, तो like I am not able to use the product anymore. इसका जो ये like portion है ये भी open नहीं होता है and I am not able to understand कि मैं इसको like rest of the product, you can see that कि कितना सारा product like बाकी. So for that reason it has come to my no list. But otherwise this is a very mild cleanser and you can try it out. So I hope this video has helped you out in some way. So with that I am signing off today. If you love my video, don't forget to hit the like button. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you get notification whenever I post a video. Bye, take care, love you, miss you.